हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सब लोग कैसे हो? वेलकम यू वंस अगेन टू माय चैनल and today we are going to make hedgehog. So let's get started. So first we will take a paper. On that I will draw this template. So let's cut this. And fold these triangles. And stick it like this way. अब हम इसको डेकोरेट करेंगे ऐसे. Let's keep this aside and take a wool. Let's roll wool around our finger for about 60 to 70 times. We have to make pom-pom ball out of this. If you want to see how to make pom-pom ball, I will link the video link in the I button or description box. So let's stick it. Let's cut the excess wool. And a cute little hedgehog is ready. Friends, if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do follow us on Instagram also. Thanks for watching. Bye.